Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Today I am here to unveil the mystery of the third eye, a rare and mystical event that only a handful of us are fortunate enough to witness in our lifetime. A phenomenon that holds the potential to change your entire existence. So, what exactly is the third eye, you ask? Well, my friends, it is the gateway to your soul, the bridge between your physical and spiritual self. It is the all-seeing eye, the symbol of enlightenment, the manifestation of divine consciousness. And when this wondrous third eye begins to awaken, a whole new world of strange and beautiful experiences will reveal themselves to you. Today, we bring you the top 10 strange things you will experience when your third eye is finally opening. Number 10. Heightened intuition. Suddenly, you will be able to read people's energies and know their intentions without them saying a word. Your gut feeling will be so strong, it will guide you through life like a compass. Number 10. Heightened intuition is a remarkable benefit of opening the third eye. Intuition is the ability to understand something immediately without the need for conscious reasoning. When the third eye opens, it acts as a powerful amplifier of intuition, allowing you to perceive and interpret the world in a way that goes beyond logical analysis. You will develop an acute sense of awareness that will enable you to read people's energies and intentions, helping you to make better decisions in all aspects of your life. Your intuition will become so strong that you will be able to sense danger or opportunity before they even present themselves. This heightened sense of intuition will lead to greater confidence, and you will find that you are more decisive and less prone to second-guessing yourself. You will be able to rely on your intuition as a guide, knowing that it will always lead you to the right path. Moreover, your intuition will also help you develop deeper connections with others. You will be able to empathize with people and understand their needs and desires on a much deeper level. This will allow you to build stronger relationships, both personally and professionally, and will help you to create a positive impact in the world. In a world that is often driven by logic and analysis, intuition can sometimes be overlooked. However, with the opening of the third eye, you will develop a profound understanding of the power of intuition and how it can be used to enhance your life in ways you never thought possible. So, embrace your intuition, trust your instincts, and allow yourself to be guided by the wisdom of the universe. Number 9. Vivid dreams. Your subconscious mind will come to life, revealing secrets and truths you never knew existed. You will experience lucid dreams and astral projections that will leave you feeling exhilarated and empowered. Number 9 on our list of the top 10 strange things you will experience when your third eye is finally opening is vivid dreams. Your subconscious mind will come to life, revealing secrets and truths you never knew existed. When your third eye is opening, you will experience a significant increase in the intensity and frequency of your dreams. You will have vivid and memorable dreams that will feel more real than reality itself. These dreams will offer you a glimpse into the depths of your subconscious mind, providing you with insights and wisdom that can guide you towards your true purpose. The dreams you experience during the opening of your third eye can be used as a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. They can help you uncover hidden fears, desires, and motivations that may be holding you back in life. By paying attention to the messages and symbols within your dreams, you can gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the world. Moreover, with the opening of your third eye, you may also experience lucid dreams and astral projections. These experiences can take you on a journey beyond the physical world, allowing you to explore the vastness of the universe and connect with higher states of consciousness. In these states, you can gain access to infinite wisdom and knowledge that can help you navigate the challenges of life with greater ease and clarity. In conclusion, vivid dreams are a fascinating and valuable aspect of the opening of your third eye. Embrace this strange and wonderful experience and allow your subconscious mind to guide you towards greater self-awareness and enlightenment. Number 8. Synchronicities. The universe will communicate with you in the most unexpected ways. You will begin to notice signs and symbols that hold significant meaning, guiding you towards your destiny. Number 8 on our list of strange things you will experience when your third eye is finally opening is the occurrence of synchronicities. Synchronicities are events or coincidences that appear to be meaningful and related, despite not having any obvious causal connection. They are often described as meaningful coincidences that occur in a way that seems too perfect to be merely chance. When your third eye is opening, you will start to notice these synchronicities occurring in your life more frequently and with greater significance. You might see repeated numbers, have recurring dreams, or experience chance encounters with people who seem to have a message for you. These events are not random or meaningless. They are a way that the universe communicates with you and guides you on your path. By paying attention to these synchronicities, you can gain valuable insights and guidance that will help you navigate through life. They can act as signposts that confirm you are on the right track or guide you towards a new direction. Synchronicities can also be a source of inspiration and motivation, reminding you of the bigger picture and your ultimate purpose in life. In essence, synchronicities are a reminder that everything in the universe is connected, and there is a higher power at work that we are all a part of. By acknowledging and embracing these strange and wonderful occurrences, you can tap into the infinite wisdom and guidance of the universe, leading you towards a more fulfilling and purposeful life. Number 7. Psychic abilities. As your third eye awakens, you will discover a whole new level of psychic power. You will be able to communicate with spirits, see auras, and even predict the future. Number 7 on our list of 10 strange things you will experience when your third eye is finally opening is psychic abilities. As your third eye awakens, you will discover a whole new level of psychic power. You will be able to communicate with spirits, see auras, and even predict the future. The development of psychic abilities can be a life-changing experience, providing insights and clarity that can guide us on our life journey. Psychic abilities allow us to connect with the energy and consciousness of the universe and to access information beyond our physical senses. Some people may feel apprehensive or fearful about developing psychic ability, but it is important to understand that they are a natural and normal part of the human experience. Everyone has psychic abilities to some degree, and with practice and guidance, we can all develop and hone our skills. One of the benefits of developing psychic abilities is that it can help us to navigate life with greater ease and confidence. We can gain insight into our relationships, career, health, and spiritual path, and make more informed decisions based on this information. Additionally, psychic abilities can enhance our intuition, enabling us to sense danger or opportunities before they even present themselves. Overall, the development of psychic abilities is a powerful and transformative journey that can provide us with invaluable guidance and insights. If you want to learn more about those different topics like numerology, spiritual growth, self-improvement, psychic abilities, and so on, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Number 6. Heightened senses. Your sense of smell, taste, touch, and hearing will become more acute. You will be able to appreciate the beauty of nature like never before. Number 6 on our list of strange things you will experience when your third eye is finally opening is heightened senses. As your third eye begins to awaken, you will find that your sense of smell, taste, touch, and hearing become more acute. You will be able to appreciate the beauty of nature like never before, noticing the smallest details and feeling a deeper connection to the world around you. This heightened sensitivity can be a powerful tool in your spiritual journey, allowing you to connect with your surroundings on a deeper level and enhancing your overall quality of life. You may find that you are able to experience more joy and pleasure from even the simplest things in life, such as the scent of freshly cut grass or the sound of birds chirping in the morning. By cultivating your heightened senses, you will be able to fully immerse yourself in the present moment and experience life with a greater sense of depth and richness. So, take the time to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the world around you, for it is truly a wondrous and beautiful place. Number 5. Emotional release. Your third eye will help you release any emotional blockages that have been holding you back. You will be able to heal old wounds and find inner peace. Number 5 on our list of strange things you will experience when your third eye is finally opening is emotional release. This is a powerful and transformative experience that can bring you to a new level of inner peace and healing. For many of us, emotional wounds from our past can be buried deep within our subconscious, causing pain and suffering in our everyday lives. However, as your third eye begins to open, you will find yourself able to release these emotional blockages and let go of the pain and trauma that has been holding you back. This is an opportunity to connect with your true self and find a sense of inner peace that may have been eluding you for years. You will be able to heal old wounds and find forgiveness, both for yourself and for others. This emotional release will allow you to move forward with greater clarity and a renewed sense of purpose, enabling you to live your life to the fullest. Number 4. Enhanced creativity. As your third eye opens, you will find yourself tapping into a well of creativity that you never knew existed. Your artistic abilities will reach new heights, and you will be able to express yourself in ways you never thought possible. Number 4 on our list of strange things you will experience when your third eye is finally opening is enhanced creativity. When your third eye opens, you will find yourself tapping into a well of creativity that you never knew existed. Your artistic abilities will reach new heights, and you will be able to express yourself in ways you never thought possible. This heightened creativity can manifest in many different ways, whether it be through painting, writing, music, or any other form of creative expression. It is a beautiful gift that allows you to connect with your inner self and share your unique perspective with the world. Embracing this newfound creativity can lead to a sense of fulfillment and purpose that can enrich every aspect of your life. So, if you find yourself feeling inspired, Don't hesitate to take action and explore your creativity. You never know where it may lead you. Number 3. Deep sense of oneness. Your third eye will help you connect with the universe on a deeper level. You will experience a sense of unity with all living beings, and your compassion for others will grow stronger. Number 3 on our list of strange things you will experience when your third eye is finally opening is a deep sense of oneness. As your third eye awakens, you will begin to feel a stronger connection to the universe and all living beings. You will start to realize that we are all interconnected and that everything in the universe is part of a greater whole. This realization will fill you with a sense of unity, love, and compassion for others, as you understand that their pain and suffering is your pain and suffering too. As you continue on this journey, you will begin to see the world through new eyes, with a newfound appreciation for the beauty and complexity of nature. You will find yourself drawn to meditation, yoga, and other spiritual practices that will help you cultivate this deep sense of oneness and connection. Ultimately, the deep sense of oneness that comes with the opening of the third eye will lead you to a greater understanding of your purpose in life and a greater sense of fulfillment. You will find yourself living more in harmony with the world around you, and your relationships with others will deepen as you come to understand that we are all one. Number 2 on our list of 10 strange things you will experience when your third eye is finally opening is physical sensations. When your third eye begins to awaken, you may experience physical sensations such as tingling, pressure, or warmth on your forehead or crown chakra. This is a sign that your third eye is opening and that you are on the right path towards spiritual growth and enlightenment. These sensations are a natural part of the process and should be embraced with an open heart and mind. You can even use these sensations to guide you towards a deeper understanding of your spiritual journey. By focusing on the sensations and allowing yourself to feel them fully, you can tap into a higher level of consciousness and gain valuable insights into your true self. Remember, the opening of the third eye is a powerful and transformative experience, and these physical sensations are just one of the many signs that you are on the path to discovering your full potential. Number 1 on our list of strange things you will experience when your third eye is finally opening is undoubtedly the most profound of them all: spiritual awakening. When your third eye opens, you will experience a shift in consciousness that will transform the way you see yourself and the world around you. You will start to question your beliefs, your values, and your purpose in life. You will begin to understand the interconnectedness of all things and recognize that we are all part of a greater whole. This awakening will bring you a sense of peace, joy, and fulfillment that you have never experienced before. You will feel a deep connection to the universe and the divine, and you will realize that you are not just a physical body, but a spiritual being. Your third eye awakening will allow you to tap into your intuition and wisdom, and you will be able to access higher levels of consciousness. You will discover your true purpose in life and find the courage to follow your dreams. This spiritual awakening will not only transform your life, but it will also have a positive impact on the people around you as you radiate love, compassion, and light. In conclusion, my friends, the opening of the third eye is a profound and life-changing experience that will lead you to a new level of consciousness. So, embrace the journey and allow yourself to be guided by the wisdom of the universe. If you want to learn more about the different stages of spiritual awakening, please watch the next video. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.